Hello, and welcome back. This is V and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
Today I'm bringing to you one of my mom's recipes.
Another one.
Which I have, converted it my way, made it part of your 50, and oil-free, of course, and really, really easy to put together. So before we head on over, comment down below and tell us if you've ever modified your mom's recipe, because I'd love to hear that. So I'm gonna run you down the ingredients, but sit back and relax and enjoy the video, because all the ingredients are gonna be down below in the description box. Okay. So I have these small potatoes. They come in a bag. Sometimes you can find like a mix of 2 or 3 colors, but this is what I found, and it had all these. So what I did is I just boiled it. What I did is wash them, covered them with cold water, boil them. It takes about anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, not longer than that. So after they're boiled, you want to drain them and cool them.
Okay.
All right, so straining these. A few escape, but where are they gonna go?
Right. Yeah.
And I'm just rinsing these with cold water so I can handle them to show you the next step. Okay, so the next step is it's a little, you want the potatoes to cool down. So you want them at least 5 or 10 minutes cool down, but I'm gonna show you. So what I do is I cut these in half, and then what I do is I smush them just a little bit. And then we air fry them. So you're gonna air fry these whole like this. I'm just gonna put this in my air fryer and air fry it at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on your air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, throw it in the oven, same thing. 400 degrees, 15-20 minutes, however your oven works.
So do you want it to be like a little toasty brown on the edges?
Yeah, you want it crispy. Yeah, you want it crispy. And then I know I have my spice box out here, but that's for finishing, and that's the whole point of this dish, is that you finish it off with spices. Because usually what we do this is how we grew up. If we made rice and dal, for the night, that was dinner, there was always a side dish that was dry. Now it would be curried like cauliflower or some kind of vegetable, just a dry version to go with the rice and dal. And some days this was, when we would make spinach, these would be the items, and my mom would fry these in oil, like smush them and fry them. But we're not doing oil anymore, so I did this, and I did this while she was here, and I told her, here, taste it for me, and she liked it. So I'm gonna let these cool down, cut them up, air fry it, come back and show you how we finish it up. So my aloo tuk have been giving me the notification that they're ready. So let's come on in here and check. Now they are ready. I can see a lot of the crispy ones, and I see some that are not so crispy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plate some of the crispy ones and let the other ones go for another few minutes. But I wanted to show you how I plate it. Now I am gonna use my hands, and I know some people have a problem, but this is our food. My hands are clean.
Yeah.
And we're okay with it.
We're not in a restaurant.
Yeah.
This is for family.
Yeah. See the edges, the ones on the edge are super crispy and nice. So what I'm gonna do is, now it's super simple after this. See, now all these are done. I'm trying to get some on here to show you guys. See the ones on the end? Yeah. They're nice and crispy.
So you just filled up the air fryer.
I just smushed them, and I threw them in here and let it go for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Not 20 minutes, 15 minutes. But I'm gonna let these go a little while longer.
Okay. And we're gonna do
I'm gonna show you how to finish these up.
Yeah.
Alright, so because this is one part of my 50, this is the other part of my 50. Yeah. No brainer. I mean, see how creative we got there.
Yeah.
See how creative we got. We just make things happen just like that. But before I go there, I'm gonna salt my cucumber. And if you're following us on Instagram, you know that cucumbers are our thing. Now for the potatoes, I'm just gonna start with salt. Just put some salt up top, and then I'm gonna put some coriander powder, and see how I'm just sprinkling it. That's all you gotta do, sprinkle it up top.
So there really are no measurements.
Yeah.
You just put the ingredients down below, but you
sprinkle
however many potatoes you have, you're just gonna.
And then this is a pinch of cumin. And then I'm gonna go with dry mango powder. And the dry mango powder really brings this out, so if you can.
I love dry mango powder.
Yeah. And it's available on Amazon. I know a lot of
It's a way to add that sour, a little bit of sour
tang,
without the liquid.
Yeah. The whole thing in this dish is the dry mango powder brings out the flavor, but if you don't have it, you can sprinkle some lemon or lime over it, and then the spices will stick over it. But if you can order it, because the dry mango powder really makes a difference.
Especially if you're going to be making more of those Indian kind of spice dishes that we have, you can use, you will use the dry mango powder.
Yeah, lastly, I just sprinkled some cayenne, and I sprinkled a little less because Pam doesn't like it super spicy, so I just did a small sprinkle, and there you have it. Look at that. And it smells good, like the spices hitting the warm potatoes, you can smell it. It smells really, really good.
Aloo tuk.
Aloo tuk, yes, that's the name of it, aloo tuk, because I took the aloo, which is a potato, boiled it, and then you can take a regular potato, cut it in slices as well, but all you gotta do is smush it a little bit. That's the tuk. You bring the tuk in. So, all right. I hope you try this out. It's a super simple recipe. If you have potatoes in your fridge, put them in the air fryer. Get this going and enjoy yourself a plateful. So head on over to kindredvegans.com. Make sure you're subscribed for our newsletter so you can hear what we're doing every month. And we will see you back here next week. Bye.
Bye.